Hey guys, Beth here from Two Paper Sisters. I wanted to talk to you guys all about this brand new product that we have just started offering. So this is our Sensory Rice Dinosaur Play Kit. Here it is. Okay, so when you get this play kit, you see it comes in this super cute plastic box that has a lid. Super important. And it also has a little tag that helps you understand what's included in your kit, and also a little pin code that you can scan to get ideas about other ways to incorporate sensory play. So when you open up your box, you'll see some goodies inside. So there's actually 2 bags of dinosaur themed sensory rice. And each bag has 2 cups of rice, so you get 4 cups of rice in this play kit. This one is orange and green, and this one is red and yellow. So we actually do not currently sell the orange rice separately, so the only way that you can get orange rice right now is through our dinosaur themed play kit, or through the dinosaur themed birthday party favors, which you can learn about in a different video. So you get these 2 bags of rice, so that's 4 cups of rice, and then you get this cute little baggie of dinosaur-themed toys. So when you open this up, you get a wooden scoop. You know, always love a scoop for scooping through the rice. You get these really cute dinosaurs here. And then you also get a bunch of these green flat marbles. You can see them all on the bottom here. And you also get a few of these little white marbles. So what you would do to play with this toy, with this play kit, is you would open up the box, pull everything out of it, then you would open up the 2 bags of rice and you would dump them into this box. Dump them in, give it a little shake. Then you would open up the toys and dump them into the box, give it a little shake, move things around, bury them, and then just invite your kid to come play. It's super easy setup. Everything's already included for you. It's a nice deep box, so you don't have to worry about them spilling rice over the sides or making a big mess. Also included is our little thank you card and information about the rice. You know, our rice is dyed with all natural, organic, allergen-friendly dye, so you shouldn't have to worry about any allergies getting in the way of any kids playing. And when your kid is done playing, all you have to do is just put the lid on, and it seals pretty tight, and just store it away wherever you store your toys. So if you're looking for a fun new toy for your kids that's low prep, low thought, low input from you, this is a great option. If you are going to a birthday party or some other function where you need a toy for a kid, this is also a great option. This is a perfect birthday party gift because it's all in one. All you have to do is get a card and you're done. And the instructions that are included tell the kid exactly how to play with it. So it's really a no-brainer for the gift receiver either. The other thing you could do is if you're hosting a birthday party, which I know we're not doing a ton of them right now, but a lot of people are still doing small parties with 3 to 5 kids that are in their like COVID bubble. So if you're hosting a birthday party and you need a fun, laid back activity that doesn't require a lot of prep or effort, this is a great choice. So you would just set it all up and set it down in the party area and let the kids have at it. And then when they're all done, it's a toy for your kid to keep, you know, until forever. It's not just another kind of cheap thing that you're going to throw away. So it all stores nicely in this box, and you just put it on the shelf or wherever you store your playthings for your kids to access again and again and again. So we're really excited about this dinosaur play kit. There's also a unicorn set in case you have a unicorn lover instead of a dinosaur lover. So we definitely urge you guys to go on to the website www.twopapersisters.com and check out all of our play kits and our sensory rice and all of the other amazing open-ended play products that we have to offer. Thanks.